keep going. Okay. And go.
Hey everybody, my name is Kinzie Jones.
Hey everyone, I'm Stacy Hansen.
And we are with a very brand new, spinking brand new
Take 3.
I know. I just love that spanking. Okay. Hey everybody.
Hey everyone.
We deserve it.
All right. Hey everyone.
Let's do the over because that might be hard to cut because I went like this. Okay. Okay.
But you can get in now. We need to start over. And the one that we were in before, we did quite well with, but why am I talking?
Brock! I can't even read
Yeah,
it.
can I see it?
Can I have some
This
ice
is her
cream?
son
Yes or no?
right behind the camera. Can I have some ice cream? Yes or no?
That's a no.
Will
Just
you-
order the chicken strips.
Will you-
I don't have a phone.
Okay, and here's where are we talking to?
Okay, so let's start.
Okay.
You go ahead.
Hey everybody.
Was I supposed to add in there?
Wait, okay, let's do that again. Wait.
Wait, Mom, what's your password?
Oh, we're on.
I usually put this on airplane mode. So
Okay.
I always give myself a little bit of a Why do you have so much more shadow?
I'm a shady lady. Well, it's straight on you. I'm on the side more.
You are?
Yeah.
Oh, I guess I put it right on me.
Aren't you the center of attention?
I guess I am. That middle kid, you know.
It's all about you.
Okay.
Little Jewel.
Right now.
Okay.
Okay, Brock, seriously. It's not okay.
Right now, come inside.
Lee! Okay, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Hi everybody.
Hi, everyone.
Here we go. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Hi
Hey,
everybody.
everyone.
Are you looking right there?
No.
Remember, you gotta look right there.
Looking at myself.
Here we go. Here. I know it's hard not to, but you can once in a while look at yourself, but
Okay,
most of the
okay,
time.
okay.
All right. Okay.
How do you spell it?
Just don't use it right now. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3.
Hey, everyone.
Hey everybody. I'm Kinzie Jones,
I'm Stacy Hansen.
and we are just going to talk to you just a few seconds. Oh, seconds. That was dumb.
No, it was
Minutes.
fine.
Just say
Well, I
few
meant
minutes.
minutes.
Let's
Well, you don't want to say minutes because I wouldn't watch minutes.
Okay.
Boring. Should we start over?
Hi.
For a great time.
Call
And
us.
40-some-year-old women.
Yeah. Is it still centered on me? Okay. All about me. Whoosh. Hey,